Welcome guys to a new video, and today we have a very special car. It's a BMW 635 CSI. This car has quite a cool story to it. The owner is a true petrol head and has bought this car as a young timer with very low miles. And he has daily driven this car for the last 10 years. As a result, this car is in need of some TLC. The car has had some paint work done to it, and we will be performing a full paint correction, a ceramic coating. We will be painting the leather and exchanging some chrome trim parts. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Moving on to the interior, the plan is to deep clean the carpets using steam and an extractor, making sure we don't damage the materials due to their age. Now, one really cool feature of this car is that it has a full BMW toolkit, including the very rare BMW microfiber towel. The old chrome trims were rusty, but amazingly enough, the owner was able to find brand new OEM replacements. After almost 40 years, the leather seats have some wear and tear. Although we cannot fix everything, we will fully recolor them and protect them with a factory matte clear coat. As an extra touch, we decided to touch up the brake discs and calipers. Even though it isn't perfect, it looks way better than before. Moving on to the paint, there were lots of scratches, bird etchings and small marks. We opted for a 3-step paint correction and a double layer ceramic coating. BMW enthusiasts will know this is actually not a M635 CSI, but just a regular one. Being an enthusiast himself, the owner wanted to keep the badging as it is. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.